Hey guys, we're taking a look at the heavy duty Ram Cummins. This is the truck that turns work sites into victory laps. A truck to get the job done every time. Welcome to the video. Hey y'all, my name's Mark over here at MOLLE CDJR, better known as Dodge Dude KC, and I'm about ready to show you this truck that works just as hard as you do. Let's check it out. It's a Ram 2500 Tradesman. Here it is, guys. It's a Ram 2025 Tradesman Crew Cab 4x4. It's granite crystal metallic is the color that you see right here. It's got that legendary 6.7 Cummins engine in it. This is the first time ever they've offered the high output, even in a tradesman model here. We got the high output and your 3/4 ton, absolute beast. This one's also got some extras on it from the factory. You got your factory fifth wheel gooseneck prep group, the cold weather upgrades, chrome clad wheels. This isn't just a truck, it's your mobile command center, guys. Really, really cool. It's even got the surround view cameras on it as well. So you got those surround view cameras right here that give you a stitched view of all the way around the truck, so you always see what's going on, and it keeps you in control of the road. Time for the inside, guys. So on the inside of this one, you got all sorts of great stuff going on here. It's gonna come with that nice big 12-inch screen on the inside here that's going to give you the command and control you need in your work truck. So it's going to give you your 360 camera views. This is also going to have wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto for you to hook up on your phone, so you can have direct control of everything you got going on. Obviously, being a work truck, you're going to have everything integrated in here that you're going to need, like your trailer tow group here, exhaust brake. You got the 4x4 controls, and this thing comes with tons of safety features as well to keep you safe while you're out there towing something. You got your advanced safety package, so this thing will stop on a dime if you don't see a wreck out there on the road. You also have your blind spot detection, and a really cool feature in these new Ram trucks is they got the power folding mirrors, you got the telescopic mirrors, so you can fully adjust those mirrors as well. They really didn't miss a beat. And you even have a mobile hotspot, so if you're out there on the road and you don't have Wi-Fi, you can just log into the Wi-Fi hotspot and boom, you are ready to rock and roll. Hey guys, this truck has everything you need with no extra fluff, just the same way we do things over here at MOLLE Auto Group. No fluff, you're just buying a truck from us. $300 admin fee, you buy the truck, take it home, you'll get my cell phone number. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Go ahead and text me at the number on the screen if you have any questions about the truck, or leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Dodge Dude KC over here at Belton, Missouri. Like, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay blessed.